G'day guys, my name's Ian Rory Sarongan.
My name is Mario.
Hey, my name is Renee Grant.
Hey, this is Justin from Hustle and Muscle Fitness.
How you doing, everybody? This is CJ Williams, owner of Buff Boot Camp in Charlotte.
My name is Phyllis Amaral.
My name is Connie.
My name is Maggie.
What's up, everyone? My name is Derek.
What I like the most about the Dumbbells for Dollars course is it gives you the confidence to go out into the fitness industry.
The course is amazing. It's taught me basically how to organize and legitimize my business.
I've been a personal trainer for 3 years now, and a lot of my success is because of this program.
All this stuff gave me variety to offer to my clients, which helped me to get to where I am in my own facility.
What this program's helped me most with is to streamline my business so I'm training more people in less time.
As a newly certified personal trainer, I took the Dumbbells to Dollars course. It is loaded with practical information.
It has built a foundation in my PT business, and I still use the resources until this day.
And Jonathan's programs really helped me to get my boot camp for women off the ground.
There's something in there for everybody. Whether you're a beginner or you've been doing this for a real long time, you're gonna find something that you need.
The FitPro calculator, which I still use to stay organized. I'm giving it to my trainers for them to use because it helps us sell. It looks way more organized, and being able to send the stuff directly to people's phones is always a plus.
So take advantage of it, use it, and you will be successful. Thank you, Jonathan.
So again, thank you, Jonathan.
No complaints. Thank you.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Thanks very much guys, see you soon.